The world of online retail is booming. Two platforms stand out: Shopify and Medusa. Shopify, the behemoth, provides an all-in-one solution for businesses of all sizes. Medusa, the open-source contender, offers flexibility and customization. Both platforms empower businesses to thrive in the digital marketplace. The choice between the two depends on specific needs and priorities. This essay will delve into the strengths and weaknesses of each platform. Shopify's popularity stems from its user-friendly interface. Even individuals with limited technical skills can create a professional online store. The platform's drag-and-drop functionality simplifies website design and product management. Shopify's intuitive dashboard provides a centralized hub for managing orders, inventory, and customer data. This ease of use makes Shopify an attractive option for entrepreneurs and small businesses. Shopify boasts a vast app ecosystem extending the platform's functionality. Thousands of apps cater to various business needs, from marketing and analytics to shipping and customer support. This extensive app library allows businesses to tailor their online stores to specific requirements. Shopify's App Store fosters innovation and provides businesses with access to cutting-edge tools. Shopify's impact on the e-commerce landscape is undeniable. As of 2021, over 1.7 million businesses worldwide use Shopify. The platform's annual revenue exceeds billions of dollars, reflecting its widespread adoption and success. Shopify's growth trajectory suggests continued dominance in the e-commerce market. Shopify's user testimonials highlight its effectiveness. Businesses praise its ease of use, comprehensive features, and exceptional customer support. Many entrepreneurs credit Shopify for their online success. Shopify's user-centric approach has fostered a loyal customer base and cemented its position as a leading e-commerce platform. Medusa distinguishes itself through its open-source nature. Unlike Shopify, Medusa grants developers full access to its source code. This allows for extensive customization and tailoring of the platform to specific business needs. Developers can modify core functionalities, integrate third-party services, and create unique features. This flexibility makes Medusa a powerful tool for businesses with complex requirements. Medusa's architecture promotes modularity and scalability. The platform's headless structure separates the front-end presentation layer from the back-end logic. This allows developers to choose their preferred front-end technologies and frameworks. Medusa's modular design enables businesses to scale their online stores seamlessly as their needs evolve. Medusa's community-driven development ensures constant innovation. Developers worldwide contribute to the platform's growth and improvement. This collaborative approach fosters a vibrant ecosystem of plugins, extensions, and integrations. Medusa's community support provides businesses with access to a wealth of resources and expertise. Medusa's open-source nature translates to cost savings. Businesses can avoid licensing fees and leverage open-source tools and technologies. This makes Medusa an attractive option for budget-conscious startups and businesses seeking greater control over their technology stack. Shopify and Medusa offer distinct advantages and disadvantages. Shopify's user-friendly interface and extensive app ecosystem make it an ideal choice for businesses seeking a streamlined solution. Its ease of use and comprehensive features empower entrepreneurs and small businesses to establish a strong online presence. Shopify's proven track record and market dominance provide reassurance and access to a vast community of users. On the other hand, Medusa's open-source nature and flexible architecture appeal to developers and businesses requiring a high degree of customization. Its headless structure allows for seamless integration with existing systems and workflows. Medusa's community-driven development ensures constant innovation and a growing library of integrations. Its cost-effectiveness makes it a compelling option for startups and businesses seeking greater control over their technology stack. The choice between Shopify and Medusa depends on specific business needs and priorities. Businesses seeking a user-friendly, all-in-one solution with a vast app ecosystem may favor Shopify. Meanwhile, businesses requiring a highly customizable open-source platform with a focus on flexibility and developer control may prefer Medusa. Ultimately, the best platform for a particular business depends on its unique requirements and long-term goals. Shopify excels in several key areas. Its intuitive interface and ease of use make it accessible to users with varying technical expertise. Entrepreneurs and small businesses can quickly launch their online stores without extensive technical knowledge. Shopify's comprehensive features cover a wide range of e-commerce needs, from product management and order fulfillment to marketing and customer support. Shopify's vast app ecosystem extends the platform's functionality, providing businesses with access to a wealth of tools and integrations. This allows businesses to tailor their online stores to specific requirements and leverage cutting-edge technologies. Shopify's App Store fosters innovation and provides businesses with a competitive edge. Shopify's proven track record and market dominance provide reassurance and access to a vast community of users. Businesses can leverage Shopify's expertise and resources to navigate the complexities of online retail. Shopify's extensive documentation, support forums, and customer service ensure that businesses receive the assistance they need. Shopify's focus on user experience and customer support makes it an ideal choice for businesses seeking a hassle-free e-commerce solution. Its intuitive design, comprehensive features, and extensive app ecosystem empower businesses to thrive in the competitive online marketplace. Shopify's success is a testament to its user-centric approach and commitment to providing a seamless e-commerce experience. Medusa shines in situations where flexibility and customization are paramount. Businesses with unique requirements or a desire for complete control over their online store may find Medusa to be the ideal platform. Its open-source nature allows developers to modify core functionalities, integrate third-party services, and create unique features. Medusa's headless architecture provides unparalleled flexibility in front-end development. Developers can choose their preferred technologies and frameworks, ensuring seamless integration with existing systems and workflows. This modular design enables businesses to scale their online stores seamlessly as their needs evolve. Medusa's community-driven development ensures constant innovation and a growing library of integrations. Businesses can leverage the expertise of a global community of developers to enhance their online stores. Medusa's open-source nature fosters collaboration and provides access to a wealth of resources. Medusa's cost-effectiveness makes it an attractive option for startups and businesses seeking greater control over their technology stack. By leveraging open-source tools and technologies, businesses can reduce costs and allocate resources more strategically. Medusa's open-source nature empowers businesses to build a custom-tailored e-commerce solution without breaking the bank.